Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be unboxing and setting up this Axiom Pro disc golf basket. Let's do it right now. So we purchased this on Amazon during a Black Friday special. It was actually just over $100, which is a pretty great deal. I'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to check it out on Amazon for yourself. It does come in multiple colors. You can see here are the different color schemes that are available. We got ours in this dark blue, but you've got a light blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. You can see it's actually approved by the PDGA, and it's got a couple of pretty great features here. You got a tough powder coating, high quality construction, and quick and easy setup. So we're gonna test out exactly how easy and quick it is to set up. Let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. Okay, so out of the box, here are all our pieces. You can see we've got the stand down here, as well as our stakes over here where you can actually pound those down into that base and keep it a little more stable. We've got our instructions. We've got a couple of poles that go straight down the middle. We have our main disc catcher, the basket here, as well as the top piece and the chains that fall down. Okay, let's go ahead and get started assembling this thing. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take this lower pole here, and what you're going to be looking for is a threaded bolt on either side. That'll indicate the lower one. We're going to grab that, and we're actually, doesn't matter which side we use, we're actually just going to place this down into the base here, and then we're going to tighten it down. Okay, as you can see, when that tightens on, it'll be nice and snug, almost seamless down here at the base. Okay, next thing we are going to do is take our base cage here, and we're actually just going to lift this up and we're going to put it right on top of that little bolt there, and that is going to rest on top of there. And then we're going to grab our additional pole here, and this is the longer one without the bolts. This is actually going to have a female end on the bottom here, and so I'm just going to take that and we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to place it right down on top of there, and then we're going to thread it into place. Okay, and that's nice and snug now. Again, creating a nice little tight layer that presses against this cage and kind of keeps that nice and in place right there. Okay, ours actually came with this upper pole cap already sitting on the pole. So I'm just going to loosen that and pull it off. We're going to need that to actually go on top of the main chain catcher. So I'm just going to loosen this up. And once we have that removed, we're now ready to drop our chains on. Now on the chain catcher here, I actually had to snip, just take a pair of scissors, and I snipped this little zip tie here that was tying all of the rings for the bottom of the chains on there. And then once you do that, all the chains are now loose and ready to be moved. Okay, so this is the main chain catcher. It's got these two rings down at the bottom. There's one large ring and one small ring that's in here. You just need to make sure both of those slip down on top of the pole and go in just like that. We're then going to continue to lower this down and just let it rest right on top of there. Okay, we're then going to take the top of our pole that we pulled off earlier, and I'm just going to screw that down into the top here, nice and tight. Okay, and there we go. As you can see, it's all set up, looking great. Again, what we can do is we can take these stakes, and those work exactly like tent stakes. So you can just put those in around the base and really help secure things a little bit better. All right, I'm guessing the wife will not want this to remain here in the house. So let's take it outside and let's give it a go. All right, there you go. Nice little practice putter for here at the house. We can actually set up a little mini course if we wanted to out on my dad's ranch. I like this. $100. I think it's a great deal. Again, here's a link in the description box below if you guys want to go check this out on Amazon for yourselves. Take care, subscribe. We got a bunch more videos coming up real soon.